Students, question number 4 is not there for your exam. You don't have to study this. Next topic, percentage bar graph or diagram. Now here they have given us the, in a town Arvi, 42 trees out of 60 trees planted are survived, and in town Morshi 45 trees out of 75 survived. Town Barshi 45 trees out of 90 are survived. Now to know which town has plantation is more successful or not, only the number of trees are not sufficient, so we have to find the percentage of survived plants. To find the percentage, we have to find the percentage of survived trees, we will write the number of trees survived upon total number of trees into 100. Like how we find out the mark percentage in school, like when you get your results, we the same way we will be finding the percentage here, that is the marks you got upon total marks into 100. The same way the number of trees survived upon total number into 100. So this way we will find out the percentage of trees survive in that particular town. Now in Arvi, 42 got survived out of 60. So 42 upon 60 into 100, we get 70%. Okay, so 70% of trees were survived. In Morshi, the percentage of trees survived is, if you see here, in Morshi 45 trees are there, out of 45 survived out of 75. So we will write 45 upon 75 into 100. So we get 60%. From these percentages, notice that the percentage of survived trees in Arvi is more. Now if you compare here, we see that 70% is for Arvi. So this is more than Morshi. So the same we will find out for Barshi also. It means that the percentage given somewhat different information. So now if you look here, 42 and 45. So first what you thought, you must have, looking at these numbers, you think that this is more. But when we find out percentage, we come to know that in Arvi the plants survived are more. So percentage is important to find out. So this graph, percentage graph, is similar to the subdivided bar graph, which is drawn by converting the data into percentage. Okay, a subdivided bar graph which is drawn by converting the data into percentage is called percentage bar graph. Now that means percentage bar graph is a specific type of subdivided bar graph. Okay, we have to follow certain steps when we draw this graph. The first step is we have to find the percentage of survived trees. Now whatever they had given here in this column, we have to find the percentage of that. So now how you will find the percentage? That is the number, whatever is asked upon total number of trees into 100. So we get 70, 60 and 50% for these three towns. Now you will be drawing x-axis and y-axis on your graph. Now here you will divide 1 centimeter. You will divide this 1 centimeter into percentage of number of trees. Okay, so 1 unit is 10%. So in percentage graph, you have to compulsorily draw this up to 100%, because from 100% we are going to find out how much percentage. It is the survived plant. So 100% you will be drawing for all the towns. So we will draw 10, 20, 30 like this till 100. So 1 centimeter. So we'll write the scale on y-axis. 1 centimeter is equal to 10%. Okay, so first you will draw x-axis, y-axis, mark 1 unit as 10. For percentage graph, all the markings on y-axis will be same, that is 10, 20, 30, 40 till 100. Now in Arvi we have 70%. So out of this 100 we will find out 70 and we will mark that 70% and we'll color this or shade this or whatever you want. So this shaded portion, they are saying that trees survived, and non-shaded portion is trees not survived or trees unsurvived. Similarly, if you see in Morshi, it is 60%. So wherever is the 60%, using a scale, we will find out the 60% and you will mark that 60% and shade the remaining area. Similarly for Barshi, it is 50%. You will see where is 50% on this Y scale. Taking 50% from the Y scale, you will draw a line like this on this Barshi bar and you will color this portion. So this way you will mark this bar. Okay, now in this each bar, you will see this colored portion is the percentage of survived trees. So 100% trees, from that this is survived trees, so this will be unsurvived, percentage of unsurvived trees. So this way you will be drawing the graph. The fourth step is the percentage bar graph is a specific type of subdivided bar graph. So the remaining procedure of drawing the percentage bar graph is same as that of the subdivided bar graph. That means whatever we have done in the previous bar diagram, same thing we are done here, only here we have to have 100%. Okay, so this way you will be drawing the graph. We will be solving the problem set 11.3. The first step is you have to find in the question they have said show the following information of the percentage bar graph. They have given division of standard 8. So there are 4 divisions A, B, C, D. Number of students securing grade A. Total number of students they have given. Now the first step is we have to find out the percentage of number of students securing grade A. So here I have solved it. We will draw the table like this in your notebook. Then you will write the percentage of students securing grade A. So here if you see, the number of students securing grade A is 45 and total is 60. So 45 upon 60 into 100 will give me the percentage. So this way I will find out the percentage for all 4 divisions. I got 75, 60, 25 and 20%. So using this data, I will be plotting a graph. I'll take a graph paper. First I'll draw x-axis, I'll draw y-axis. On y-axis, every 1 centimeter or 1 unit will be marked as 10%. So this way I'll mark first 100%. So on this y-axis we will write percentage of number of students. Okay, percentage of number of students. So this way we will be plotting y-axis. Now on x-axis we will be writing divisions, that is A division, B division, C and D. Now if you see the data, here we are A division is securing 75%. So what are we going to do? On this graph, A division we are securing 75%. So this is 70, this is 75. Okay, one small division is 1%. So 70, 71, 72, 73, 74 and this is 75, 76, 77, 78, 79 and this is 80. So first we want 75. So holding your scale like this on 75, like this, 75, you will draw a line here on this bar. The next data we got for B division is 60. Again, holding a scale on 60, we'll be drawing a line like this. For C division, we got the percentage of students securing grade A is 25. So 20 is here, so 25 will be here. So we will be drawing a line like this and it will be marked here. Using a scale like this, you will mark this. Next is 20%. So 20% you will, using a scale, you will mark a 20% for division D. This way you will do the markings. You will shade the any one portion, either this or this. I am shading this portion. Now this portion, whichever I am shading, is total students securing grade A. Okay, they have asked us in the question to find the percentage of students securing grade A. So this shaded portion I have selected as students securing grade A. So I have to mention that in the graph that this portion, the shaded portion, is students securing grade A, and the uncolored or plain part is students not securing grade A. So this much, there are total of 100, and from that 100 students, 70% are securing grade A and the remaining ones are not securing grade A. This way you will plot a graph for the remaining sums. Now sum number 3 will be for your homework. So students, we have finished with this chapter. Any doubts, you will just give me a call, or you can talk to me on my personal number. Thank you.